Hey guys and gals, it's me George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and I just got back from the dump. And can you see what I picked up at the dump? Can you believe this? This thing is complete. Watch what happens when I plug it in. Oh, it's still got air in it. Wait a minute. How cool is that? Oh yeah, they're mowing the lawn across the road. But let me swing you around here. I don't know why guys on YouTube always insist on moving the camera around while they're talking and all of that good stuff. This is a Hitachi, nice brand name. Now, there is a problem with it. Here's the problem. There's something wrong with the regulator on this thing. And I'm not sure if it's just the regulator is bad or plugged up or what. But you can see obviously it's not getting the air it should get out of it. So that's easy enough to replace, just the regulator on that thing. And this thing, it still had the plastic on one of the lenses for the gauges. Can you believe it? Why would you throw something out like this? Unbelievable to me anyway. All for the sake of a little regulator that probably cost, I don't know, 10, 12 bucks at Harbor Freight. So there you have it. Till next time, this is me, George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, saying thanks for watching from the dump to you. Bye now.